Hello again. What you need to do full commercial programming. How I do it. First of all, I use Visual Studio Code. Here you can do whatever you want. The only thing is that it's not visivic, meaning what you get is what you see, or what you see is what you get, or whatever. You have to be able to program directly inside here. I can give you some examples. For example, here I use a lot of CSS programming for my screens. I use a lot of, for example, Bootstrap frameworks. And I have a standard that I set up. I always have a log file. I always do session start and so on and so on. The viewport I set like this, then it's responsive to mobile phones, mobile screens. And inside Visual Code Studio, you have tons of extensions you can install, and it's very, very easy to use. The next thing I have is I have this website called icons8.com. And this is a free icon download. You really need icons when you're programming to make things nice on your buttons and stuff like this, and they don't have copyright. So you can use these icons here. So if I want one for save, for example, I write save, and it shows me a number of icons, and all standard icons I can press and download. And then you have one or two for free. I always take the highest resolution and download that. My programming will adjust the size automatically. That's not a problem. And the resolution is good enough. So icon8.com. The next thing I'm using is if I need to make my images transparent. I'm using onlinepngtools.com, create transparent PNG, and here for free you can upload your image, and you can make the background transparent so it obtain the background color you have on your screen. Of course, if you're doing very big projects and very advanced things, you have to pay. The next thing I'm using to make the actual backgrounds is I'm using designermicrosoft.com, and here you just press create, and I press, for example, background, and if I want to have a special background, you just describe here, and you say a colorful fox having nice food, and you press here size, and you have those size alternative. I always use square, then it fits for Facebook, YouTube, and many others. And I say generate. Then it will generate an image for you that you have full rights for. There's no copyright issues and there's no problems at all. And after a few seconds, it will show 4 alternatives of creation it made. If you're not happy with it, you just recreate, and here we see a fox. You see. It's very funny and very nice. So these are the main tools I'm using. I'm using Designer, I'm using Download Icons, and I'm using Make It Transparent. And for my programming, I'm using Visual Studio Code. And I've been very happy with these things, and it's not a problem to use it. So good luck, and if you have any questions, let me know. Bye bye.